Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you can't install Windows on a USB flash drive using setup in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed with your keyboard and press Windows key and R key together to open the small window called Run. Where here, you need to tap for regedit. Again, type for regedit and click on OK the moment you have typed it. Your account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to run this window called Registry Editor. Where here you need to proceed to the left side of it and look for a file folder called hkey underscore local underscore machine. The moment you have selected it, double tap and proceed with system. Double tap once again, and afterwards you need to go with your current control set. Double tap again and go with control. Okay. So here in the control, you need to look for a DWORD 32-bit value, which is portable operating system. Again, look for a value here, which is portable operating system, which in my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that. Okay. Look for it and just have to double tap to it and change the value data into 0. So if you in your case it is being set into 1, set it in 0. Once done, click on OK and there you have it. Okay? Again, look for a value data which is sorry, you look for a DWORD 32-bit value which is portable operating system. Change the value data into 0. Once done, close all of these paths. Close this window as well and try to continue on setting up your Windows using your USB flash drive. I'm sure it will be working this time. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.